What's going on, friends? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. Today is a very special day for me because today is the day that I received my first fragrance from the house of Argos. You may have heard the name, you may have not, but let me tell you something. When your order comes in a packaging like this, you have to make an official unboxing video. This is the first time I'm exploring this house. I have absolutely no idea what's inside, how it's gonna be. You may have seen a lot of unboxings, but again, this is my version, this is my experience, my feelings. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Don't miss my channel, please. It means a lot. When you support my channel, you subscribe, you put that like button on these videos, it means a lot to me. It helps my passion grow more. So, this fragrance, I'm gonna show you a little bit later, but this was the packaging, a very generic packaging that it came in. Let me put it on the side. This was the beautiful box, and a little dirt here. The first thing that came out was this wax sealed greeting card explaining to me about the house, introduction to this house. Unfortunately, while taking it off, this thing came off, but look at this. Just look at the details on this, man. And they send you this beautiful greeting card. Wow. Christian Petrovich, and it clearly says my name. I don't know if this is his real signature or is it pre-printed, but whatever it is, I'm really liking it. I'm really digging it because wow, what a touch. I mean, the paper itself feels premium. I mean, the print is, although it's probably not too nice, but it's a great touch. Some customization like this from a house that charges you a lot of money for the fragrance, I don't expect anything less, trust me. I've got specialized notes, customized notes from the house of Zaroff, and then I've seen something from the house of Maison Francis Kurkjian. You have seen those videos. If you have not, I will leave the link right up here somewhere. I think here. Yep. Okay. So yeah, that was it. A beautiful wax sealed envelope, and they sent me a sample of one of their most hyped fragrances, a really demanded one, Danae. And again, this house has a lot of history. I'll do a full review of these fragrances, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon too. So this was like a big bonus for me. I mean, just look at this. Even the sample bottle packaging, wow. Just wow, I don't know what to say, man. Like, seriously, I'm really hyped up to open this box. So let me put this on the side, and they send me an atomizer. This is something really nice. I mean, they've got their custom logo right there. So you put in your fragrance here, you can carry it somewhere if you don't have the ability to carry this big bottle. Well, of course, not everybody does. So you can fill this thing up and carry it with you, and they give you this little instruction on the back how to do that. Really, really nice touch. I really was not expecting these three. Like, seriously, I was not. So let's get cracking. Oops, this thing keeps falling. So the box comes wrapped up in this beautiful light paper, white, and on the top, this is like a Greek mythological symbol, I guess. I'm not too good with these things. I'm gonna dig deeper into this, but wow, I mean, super fantastic. I mean, I'm really at a loss of words. Look at this beautiful presentation. Let's go ahead. Let's crack open this baby. Let's see what's inside. Gotta be really careful. You don't want to ruin this. So it comes off really easy. Really nice. Wow. Really don't know what to say, man. Like, seriously. Okay. So there's some tape here. I guess I don't need the knife anymore. Can rip it open like that. Comes off nice. So let's just put these things on the side. Wow. Okay, let me just cut it open properly. Don't want to ruin this thing. It's so nicely packaged. I mean, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Super, super, wow. Damn. Too many tapes. Right. It's free. And just so you know, I bought this fragrance with my own personal money, so it's not a sponsored content. You know what to do. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. So let me put this on the side. Man. So the fragrance that I ordered is called Brivido Della Caccia. And there's a lot of history going on behind it. You can see this magnificent detailed artwork. Wow. Super impressed. I mean, even holding the plastic on top. I mean, wow. Wow. Hats off. Hats off. House of Argos. Hats off. Wow. So let me open this thing. Gotta be really careful. I don't want to really damage this box. Wow. I mean, my goodness. Don't really know what to say. So the logo is right here. It says Argos. And the name of the fragrance, Brivido Della Caccia. It's an eau de parfum concentration. It's only a 30 ml bottle, if you did not know. And this thing cost like, I don't remember. I think this was 125 US dollars. This is 125 US dollars. And my goodness, I guess it's worth every goddamn penny. The entire box is wrapped around in this artwork. Fantastic. So opening it, whoa, look at this. Wow. Holy moly. Whew. Argos. Christian. What the hell did he do, bro? This is insane. Beautiful green, almost like a leather kind of texture here, although it's not leather, of course, but some kind of material that almost feels like leather kind of thing, leatherette, I guess, fox leather. Silver touch on this green. Wow. Whoa. And it's silver on both sides, and it's a flip open box. Yep, it's magnetic on the side. And alright, so there it says Brivido Della Caccia. This is where it says Thrill of the Chase. So there's a lot of history behind this particular fragrance line, because from what I know, Christian himself is a big buff of Greek mythology. Mythology? Okay, whatever, man. Just but forget that. I mean, but the main thing is just look at this presentation. Black velvet, and just look at this bottle. Oh my god. It's deep. It's beautiful. And oh man, this bottle feels heavy. And it's premium. I mean, look at the intricate details on this bottle. That little artwork. Wow, I'm gonna do a full-scale review of this after doing a couple of wearings, so stay tuned, guys. Don't miss this review. Oh my god. So the ever-watching eye, the eternal eye, the eye of God, the eye of Ra, I don't know what this thing is, bro. I really need to do a lot of study on this thing, but my goodness. The feeling of this glass, I don't know if this shit is glass or like crystal. Whoa. Wow. This thing just won my heart, hands down. a beautiful presentation. I've seen Arabian Oud's presentation. I've seen George Zaroff's presentation. I have seen Mason Francis Kirkjian's presentation, but this is a whole different level. I'm seriously losing my words now. Look at this intricate details, man. Oh my God. The color, the combination, wow. And it's heavy. That's the best part, like it's heavy. You feel your money's worth holding it in your arm, in your hand, and fucking fantastic. Okay, just so you know, this cap is not too snug fit, so be careful. This bottle is heavy. Let me see if there's something. Okay, yeah, yep, there's the eye in there. Yep. Right? Yes, it is. There you go. You see the eye in there too. So the eye is there, and it's in there too, like inside the cap. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there you go. That's the atomizer. Beautiful combination. Let me just take a whiff from the atomizer. Like, I'm not gonna spray it now. Man, this shit is next level. Fire. This is fire. Absolutely fire. Fire. Whatever. So guys, that was my official unboxing for my first fragrance from the house of Argos, and the name of the fragrance is Brivido Della Caccia. Stay tuned for my full-scale review of this fragrance. Man, I'm super stoked, man. I'm super hyped up right now. I really wish it was morning time. I will be going to my workplace wearing this thing. Wow. Alright guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and please hit the bell icon too. It means a lot. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. I really like and need your support. Again, this is not a sponsored video. Nobody sent it to me. I bought it with my own money. And maybe I could get you a good discount code when I do the full-scale review of this fragrance. So until the next video, guys, please stay tuned, take care, stay safe, and all the best.